Welcome back to Amazon Insights, where we dive headfirst into the stories shaping your world. The news cycle never sleeps, and neither do we. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the most critical updates you need to know, from groundbreaking industry shifts to game-changing discoveries. We've got it all, so buckle up and let's get started. First, we're talking about Amazon's ambitious vision for the future of retail media, a strategy that's set to redefine how brands connect with customers. Then, prepare to have your mind blown as we uncover hidden ancient worlds beneath the Amazon rainforest, a discovery that rewrites history. Next, we're putting two titans head-to-head, Amazon versus Alibaba, as we dissect their stock performance and chart their growth trajectories for 2025. And finally, we'll be keeping a close eye on Amazon, Netflix, and other key stocks making waves as they approach significant buy points. Don't miss a single second. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Amazon's full-funnel retail media revolution. The way brands connect with consumers is undergoing a seismic shift, moving far beyond simple point-of-purchase tactics. As the customer journey grows more intricate, the spotlight is now firmly on strategies that weave through awareness, engagement, and ultimately, conversion. Rudolf Schneider, Director of EU Account Management at Amazon Advertising, sat down with Amazon Insights to unveil Amazon's comprehensive full-funnel strategy, highlighting the pivotal role of streaming, connected TV, and the cutting edge of emerging technologies in shaping the future of retail media. Schneider emphasized that Amazon's approach is deeply rooted in the company's established strengths and its unparalleled ability to drive and measure conversions. His team's mission is to empower brands to achieve growth through data-driven insights, meticulously optimizing their retail media strategies for tangible results. This evolution is a testament to Amazon's customer obsession, starting with the customer and working backward to innovate and anticipate needs. From the early days of sponsored ads on the Amazon store to the expansive reach of Prime Video ads, third-party supply like Disney+, Fire TV, and Twitch, Amazon is creating a holistic advertising ecosystem. The data speaks for itself. Combining Amazon DSP display and video ads results in a 2.2x higher brand awareness lift than video alone, showcasing the power of this integrated approach. Amazon Ads transforms interest into purchases by making discovery seamless and engaging, reaching customers across their entire journey. This comprehensive strategy is accessible to advertisers of all scales, whether they sell on Amazon or not. By leveraging streaming TV, especially Prime Video ads, brands can connect with highly engaged audiences amidst premium content, driving both marketing and brand objectives. With trillions of first-party signals across Amazon's own properties and third-party supply, the company possesses a unique understanding of consumer purchasing intent. Furthermore, innovative ad formats like interactive ads, featuring add-to-cart buttons directly within streams, have shown a remarkable 28% lift in purchase rate compared to non-interactive ads. Artificial intelligence is also at the forefront, with AI tools simplifying campaign planning, creation, and optimization for over 50,000 advertisers, ensuring greater relevancy and smarter outcomes. The core message is clear. Retail media is expanding beyond the transaction, and brands must embrace a holistic strategy that spans streaming services and the open internet to truly thrive. This isn't just about advertising, it's about redefining the entire retail experience. Stay tuned as we uncover ancient civilizations hidden beneath the jungle canopy in our next story. Ancient worlds unearthed beneath the Amazon. Often envisioned as a pristine, untouched wilderness, the Amazon rainforest is revealing a startlingly different narrative. It's an ancient archive teeming with undiscovered human history. A groundbreaking study employing advanced laser technology suggests the Amazon basin may conceal between 10,000 and 24,000 ancient earthworks, hinting at sophisticated civilizations that thrived long before European arrival. The multinational research team utilized LiDAR, an airborne laser mapping technology, to penetrate the dense forest canopy. This method allows for the creation of highly detailed 3D models of the terrain, effectively digitally removing vegetation to reveal hidden structures. The study identified 24 new archaeological sites, including fortified villages, ceremonial grounds, and megalithic structures, across thousands of square kilometers. This discovery challenges the long-held notion of the Amazon as a pristine wilderness, instead presenting it as a landscape shaped by ancient human activity. Vinicius Parapato, a study author, noted the surprise at the sheer number of sites still unknown to science, emphasizing that the scanned area represented only 0.08% of the Amazon. Extrapolating these findings, researchers predict a vast number of earthworks yet to be discovered, likely concentrated in southwestern Amazonia. These findings suggest that forests regenerated over centuries atop these ancient settlements after they were depopulated, preserving evidence of ancestral ways of life and their intricate relationship with the forest. Worryingly, many of these high-potential archaeological sites are located in areas facing the highest deforestation rates, underscoring the urgent need for conservation efforts that protect not only the environment, but also the rich cultural heritage. Recent discoveries, such as the urban system in the Upano Valley, dating back to 500 BC, and ancient settlements in the Llanos de Moxos, further corroborate the extent of pre-Columbian occupation. The forest itself, through specific tree species clustering around archaeological sites, continues to bear the fingerprints of this ancient human activity. The critical question now is whether this knowledge will spur action to protect these sites before they are lost forever to deforestation. These ancient mysteries are just the beginning of our deep dive into Amazonian secrets. Next, we pit two e-commerce and cloud giants against each other: Amazon versus Alibaba. Amazon versus Alibaba, the 2025 growth showdown. In the hyper-competitive world of tech investing, Amazon and Alibaba stand as colossal figures, dominating e-commerce, cloud computing, and the burgeoning field of artificial intelligence. As 2025 unfolds, the critical question for investors is not just about market share, but which of these titans will deliver superior stock performance and long-term growth. Amazon, a powerhouse in global e-commerce and cloud infrastructure, reported impressive Q2 2025 results. Its North America and global stores segment generated $167.7 billion in revenue, a 13% year-over-year increase, with net income soaring by 35% to $18.2 billion. Amazon Web Services, AWS, its cloud computing arm, achieved an annualized revenue run rate exceeding $123 billion, with quarterly revenue reaching $30.9 billion, up 17.5% year-over-year. While AWS leads competitors like Microsoft and Google in revenue, its growth rate is a key point of investor scrutiny. Amazon's overall performance is fueled by multiple growth vectors, including an 11% rise in its online store business, a 22% annual expansion in its advertising business, and significant AI investments, including new services like Alexa Plus. The company's stock reflects this confidence, trading at approximately 35 times forward earnings. Alibaba's 2025 growth narrative is more complex. Despite a modest 2% overall revenue increase year-over-year, its cloud computing segment saw a significant 31% revenue jump, driven by AI product demand. The company is investing heavily in AI infrastructure, committing RMB 380 billion over 3 years, aiming to reduce reliance on U.S. suppliers. However, Alibaba faces intense competition and a challenging economic environment in China. While Alibaba Cloud is the fourth-largest provider globally, its scale is considerably smaller than AWS. Amazon maintains a global cloud infrastructure lead with nearly 30% of the market share, compared to Alibaba Cloud's 4%. Amazon's stock, with a higher P/E ratio of around 35, reflects investor confidence in its consistent enterprise and cash flow generation, particularly from the synergies between retail, advertising, and cloud. Alibaba, trading at a lower P/E of approximately 15, presents a higher risk profile due to geopolitical uncertainties and market volatility, but offers potential upside if China's economy stabilizes and digitization accelerates. Amazon's integrated model and AI momentum position it as a relatively secure bet, while Alibaba must navigate significant challenges to maintain its valuation and drive future growth. These tech giants are battling for market dominance, but what about the stocks themselves? We'll look at stocks making moves as they approach crucial buy points in our final update. Stocks to watch: AMZN, NFLX, and more near buy points. As the stock market continues its ascent, nearing all-time highs, investors are keenly observing specific companies that are poised for potential gains. Among the key players to watch this week are Amazon.com, AMZN, Netflix, NFLX, Shopify, Shop, Capital One, COF, and Elbit Systems, ESLT, all of which are showing strong momentum as they climb back from recent pullbacks and approach significant buy points. With the S&P 500 and Nasdaq firmly in a power trend, the environment is ripe for identifying stocks that exhibit resilience and upward trajectory. The stocks mentioned are not just trading near their highs, they are demonstrating the strength to recover from minor dips, a characteristic that technical analysts often associate with strong underlying performance and investor confidence. For investors looking to capitalize on the current market strength, these companies represent compelling opportunities to enter positions at potentially advantageous levels. The proximity of these stocks to new highs suggests that they have successfully navigated recent market fluctuations and are exhibiting robust price action. This resilience is a critical indicator for investors seeking to align with market leaders and capitalize on sustained upward momentum. As these stocks continue to consolidate or push higher, they will be closely monitored for the emergence of clear buy signals, offering potential entry points for those looking to add to their portfolios or initiate new positions. Don't miss your chance to catch these stocks on the rise. That's all the news for today, but we'll be back with more insights soon. And that's a wrap on today's Amazon Insights. We've covered Amazon's full-funnel retail media revolution, unearthed ancient worlds in the Amazon rainforest, dissected the Amazon versus Alibaba stock showdown, and highlighted key stocks like Amazon and Netflix approaching buy points. If you found this info valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Follow us on all social platforms to keep the conversation going. See you next time.